Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix not able to use pin due to a problem with error code. First method is open File Explorer, this PC. Click three dots, click Options, click View tab, check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, click Apply, click OK. C Drive, Windows, click Service Profiles. Local Service, click Continue. Updata, Local. Open Microsoft folder. Open NGC folder, click Continue, click Security tab. Click Advanced, click Change. Type your account name, click Check Names. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Open NGC folder, delete all folders and files. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts. Click Sign in Options. Set up new PIN. Third method is type restore point in Windows search bar, click Restore Point. Click System Restore. Select any previous restore point. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.